Hi guys, good morning. It's a very nice morning here in England. Actually, it's August 10. Why I'm doing this video? Because later, after maybe 10 minutes from now or 15 minutes from now, I'm going to take the thingy test, about what's happened globally nowadays. I'm going to take that test, the home kit test, but it's supposed to be you doing it yourself, but I cannot do it myself because I don't have the courage to to put inside my nose and then inside my mouth. I mean, inner in there. No, I cannot do it. So I asked my friend, a colleague of mine, to do it for me. I know she's capable enough to do it. I mean, I'm confident enough that she'll do it, right? Because she's working in the hospital as well, in the NHS, and then she did as well some of the people there. She's doing the testing as well. So I asked her to do it for me. So later, we're gonna do it. Oh my God, I keep on saying doing it. I'm done out with my PPE already because I've done more work. I've done everything. So I took it out and then wash my hand, sanitize my hand, and everything. So hopefully guys, there's nothing wrong, because last month I did my test as well, and thanks God it was negative, and hopefully this test will come out negative as well, because after that there's no like positive thingy already recorded or being in our place. So hopefully, cross fingers guys. Hi guys, I got here my home test kit already. A friend of mine is going to perform me the test. Oh my God. I feel really like, I don't know. I know it's not, in my first time, it was okay really. I don't feel anything or what. So I'm confident enough I don't feel anything right now as well. But I'm still scared. Yeah. That's my friend Cora. She's working at NHS and then doing my test. Hi, Tico. That is my. No, I don't want to. That one. And then. No, I don't want to. That one. And then.
Guys, I have a big one, guys. Before it was really a small one, but now it's really big. I'm scared. Oh my God.
Asa mo? Asa na? That's it. We're gonna put it in a vial. Wait. Oh my God. Sakit ng ilong ko ha. Dako to ha. Dako to. And that's the vial. That's the home test. Nawa. Oh my God, ako man natin, oy! It's so big, guys! Like, oh my God, sa ilong gamay ba akong ilong? I got a small nose.
Okay.
Like that. Thank you, Tiha. Takuha mo to, oy! It's big! That's why I'm scared, because I saw that one on TV.
As well as
It's big as well, but the other one, when I had last month, it's really small. That's why I'm confident enough.
This one's big.
That's why I'm not worried last night. But now when I saw the stick, oh my God! Like that pala, te. I-double-double pala, te. I'm not going to hold it because I don't have glove. Yeah.
Okay.
Do I need to put name as well na? Gihapon?
You got your code.
No? Dili na. Thank you, Teha. See, I told you guys. She's been doing this a lot of times already. So So I'm gonna mail this one. It's free. I just took this one in the mail something. Mailbox. They're gonna collect it later. Lusok kita kung ilong tayo. Gani dili kayo pag kuani mo. Dako bitaw mo naging hablabad akong order o akong sinuses diri.
Kapanghatsi ta.
Okay naman diri sa pikas katong diri sa pikas nimo.
Ngano jud bitaw nang ikanuha ka ng wa oy?
Na. Gamay siguro ako ano. This one too.
Ay,
Kato lang akong ilong. So, dili na ako take time, te.
no na isang sale.
Okay. So, that's how you do it, guys. Doing the home test kit. That's it. Easy. It won't take long, really, because, oh my God, I was shocked with the stick, It's too big. Alright.
Negative ko, abot na.
Oh, wow. Congrats, te. Congrats. Essential worker. We're doing it every week, te, or dili na?
Not for now, but
Not for now.
next time it's Nana. This is the manager supposedly to request.
That's it, guys.
Hawi,
And then,
hawi rin ang lab kaya ron nag-sale din si Jah. Sukod. Hapit ka pungin, manahal sini. Okay, that's it.
That's it. Thank you, te.
You're welcome.
And-
That's yours. Asa mo din mo ito?
That's the one, Ate Cora. Yeah, ako na lang ito.
Oh, imo na, copy.
Yeah, isod.
Ito na anak, kaya ron dili na ma.
Okay naman natin, no? Kaya nga naman sa
Drop
sod.
na siya ni mo kuhaan, yung silupin.
Yeah, okay.
Drop.
Sulod rin ako, no? Ito. Thank you so much, te. I'm done, guys. It's big. I didn't imagine that one that it's big. The stick before it's really thin, you know. But that one, oh my God! So that's it, guys. So I'm just waiting for my result in 2 days' time via text. So hopefully, cross fingers. Bye. That's where I'm going to drop my test. Aray ko. Nana. Hi guys, I'm in town now. I just dropped in Ate Cora's place and walked to the post office. So this is it, guys. Priority box for the NHS. I'm gonna drop my test now. Okay. Good luck. In the post office. Just how many meters away. Just in town. So, and then I'm gonna wait for. And this is our post office. So close. That one. And then I'm just going to walk. This is our small town. It's not a lot of people because there's no more classes, so you cannot see any more kids. So that's it. This is our time, guys. See, stay safe. Come on. everywhere there are, you can see reminders really that you need to wash your hands, you have to stay safe, you have to do social distancing. And this is our main street, high street I mean. See, we got boots there. Is it open? I'm not sure. And then where is it? This is our town, guys. Look, boots. See, they reminded this one. Every corner, you can see that one. And then look, social distancing, 2 meters. That one. So I'm in the high street in our small town. So that's it, guys. W's me still closed. Got bags, Barclays, that's not my bag. And then another reminder, stay at home, wash your hands, and every 3 meters they got those reminders to remind us. And then look, 2 meters social distancing. So that's it, guys. Cross fingers, God's will hopefully turns out negative. Save us, wish me luck, and pray for me. Bye. Stay safe. Nasa bahay na ako, guys. Nearly, kailangan ko pang mag-cross the road. Kasi yun ang sa akin yung white door. But, kailangan ko to dahil nilabas ng kapitbahay ko yung blue bin kagabi. Kasi, araw ng so I need to kinuha na. I need to put it back, guys. Aray ko. Kasi ganun lang yan, guys. Share. Pag sila ang naglabas, ako magsauli. Ganun lang. Yan. Ang blue bin nila. O, diba? What a life. Yan ang ko sa side parking area. And veg. That's mine. Tingnan ko lang kung yung brown na kuluhan. Wala pa, guys. Ayan. So sila na magkukuha niya. Kasi ako, once na makaakyat na ako,